Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to you, my dear friends. Today I have chosen a word sharaha. Sharaha is a verb. Sharaha means he explained. Sharaha is a past tense. Yashrahu, yashrahu, yashrahu is a present tense. Yashrahu means he explains. Let's see its example. Sharahal muallim. Sharahal muallim. Sharahal muallim means the teacher explained. Sharaha means explained. Muallim means the teacher. Sharahal muallim, the teacher explained. Sharahtu dars. Sharahtu dars. Sharahtu means I explained. Ad-dars means the lesson. Sharahtu dars, I explained the lesson. Sharihatil muallimatu dars. Sharihatil muallimatu dars. Sharihat means she explained. Al-muallima means the female teacher. Ad-dars means the lesson. Sharihatil muallimatu dars, the female teacher explained the lesson. Asharhu. Asharhu is a verbal noun. Asharhu wazihun jidda. Asharhu wazihun jidda. Asharhu, the explanation. Wazihun jidda means very clear. Asharhu wazihun jidda, the explanation is very clear. Asharhu laysa bi zaruri. Asharhu laysa bi zaruri. Asharhu, the explanation. Laysa means is not. Bi zaruri means compulsory. Asharhu laysa bi zaruri, the explanation is not compulsory. Ana la ahtaj sharhak. Ana la ahtaj sharhak. Ana la ahtaj means I don't need. Sharhak. Sharhak means your explanation. Ana la ahtaj sharhak, I don't need your explanation. At-talibu yashrah. At-talibu yashrah. At-talibu means the student. Yashrah. Yashrah means he explains. At-talibu yashrah, the student explains. Yashrah is a present tense. Lima anta tashrahu hadha ad-darsa mirara. Lima anta tashrahu hadha ad-darsa mirara. Lima anta tashrahu, why are you explaining? Hadha ad-darsa, this lesson. Mirara, again and again. Why are you explaining this lesson again and again? Uridu an ashraha hadhihi al-qasida. Uridu an ashraha hadhihi al-qasida. Uridu an ashrah, I want to explain. Hadhihi al-qasida, this poem. Uridu an ashraha, I want to explain. Hadhihi al-qasida, hadhihi means this, qasida means poem. Uridu an ashraha hadhihi al-qasida, I want to explain this poem. Atamanna an ashraha al-Quran Kareem. Atamanna an ashraha al-Quran. Atamanna an ashraha, I wish to explain. Al-Quran, Quran Kareem. Atamanna an ashraha al-Quran, I wish to explain Quran Kareem. Man sharihun nas. Man sharihun nas. Man means who. Shahri means explainer. An-nas means the text. Man sharihun nas, who is the explainer of the text. Let's see another example. Ishrahid dars. Ishrahid dars. Ishrah means explain. Ad-dars means the lesson. Ishrahid dars, explain the lesson. Remember this. اشرح is an imperative sentence. اشرح الدرس. Explain the lesson. هذه المسألة مشروحة. هذه المسألة مشروحة. هذه المسألة. This issue. مشروحة means is explained. هذه المسألة مشروحة. This issue is explained. هذه المسألة مشروحة. I hope that this video would be beneficial for you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to write me in comment box. مع السلامة، إلى اللقاء. سبحان الله بحمده، سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك، نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت ونستغفرك ونتوب إليك.